Now this car's incredible. Follow me. This is a 2018 68 registration, 3-litre diesel SDV6 Dynamic HSE. But I want to show you the inside because this car's only got 23,000 miles. I've said this over and over again. Every so often, we just get a car that we think, you know what, this is special. The car is beautiful, but because the car has only done 23,000 miles, the interior is absolutely amazing. That black leather is nice and soft, super luxurious. The dynamic steering wheel, but again, with 23,000 miles on, the car looks almost perfect inside. It's brilliant. On the outside, there's a little bit of wear that I'll show you as I go around. But for me, with the upgraded £3,000 electric deployable side steps, 23,000 miles, 3-litre diesel, the 22-inch upgraded alloy wheels, the black styling package, LED lights front and rear, we don't sell cars this age anymore. It's very, very rare do I sell a car on a 2018. But every so often, when we get a car with such low miles on, that's in a brilliant condition, with a fantastic specification, I think, well, why shouldn't I? Because there is a lot of my customers that do want to buy a car from me, and they don't want to spend £100,000, they want to spend 38,990. And that's all this car is today with live pricing. Now, you might see others available at £2,000 cheaper, 35,990 even maybe, with average miles on 55,000 miles. But if you can go away and pay a little bit more like we're asking for, but get a car with 23,000 miles on, for me, it's a no-brainer because it hasn't been used much. It's been very well looked after. Going back to the styling, you've got all the colour-coded bumpers, the LED fog lights, LED headlights, the 22-inch wheels, which are in perfect condition. Again, we refurbed the wheels as well, so before you collect it, it looked brilliant. The black window surrounds, sun protection glass, comfort access, tilt and sliding panoramic roof, electric memory seats. This car also has the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 2 keys. You've got air suspension, touchscreen media system. It is a facelift model, so you have the touchscreen here and the touchscreen down below. The twin cup holders, multifunctional steering wheel. It's a 5-seater vehicle with rear heated seats as well. So again, the car is in a fantastic condition. I've said that more than once, and you can see clearly from the back seats, it's got the floor mats and everything are in brilliant condition as well. Now down the side of the car, if you look at it, the car is in an awesome condition. There's a couple of little stone chips on the front. There's a very minor little scuff around here that you can see, but again, it's so minor, I have to point it out for you to see it. But the reason I'm mentioning it is because the car is over 5 years old. There will be a little bit of wear. If you're thinking, oh yeah, well, I'm going to go and buy myself a brand new car from Joe at Acklam Car Centre and pay £60,000 less than the list price, it's unrealistic. Now, we do touch up the car as much as possible. We polish it, we make it look smart as possible, but we're transparent, but most importantly, we're fair. We want to give you the best product for its price. The black styling continues around the back. You've got the automatic tailgate, the rear bumpers all colour-coded with the huge exhaust fascias there, split seats. You've got the rear cover there. Underneath, you've got spare wheel. The spare wheel is a dinky one, it's better than nothing. And the locking wheel is hidden in the bottom left corner. The automatic tailgate, press the button, it closes up. The back bumper is in a fantastic condition. A lot of the time, that's where it takes a lot of scuffs and scratches. It's beautiful. But it's the way this car drives, it's the way it looks. And for me, with the steps and all the nice little features like the illuminated entry kick plate, the Meridian sound system, full digital display, paddle shift, it doesn't get much better. Cruise control, lane assist, reversing camera system. It's got it all. And then to get one with a sliding roof is a big ask on its own. And this has got it. Full tilt and sliding panoramic roof. This is beautiful. It really is. Sat nice and high up, nice and quiet engine, decent returns on the miles per gallon. Easy to use, lovely on the eye. The black with the black wheels and the black interior, but it's the crispness of the interior for me that stands out the most. Like I said, with the live pricing, it's only 38,990. My name's Joe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.